In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders on Monday.com. If you've ever found yourself missing deadlines or forgetting to follow up on projects, you know how critical timely reminders can be. Monday.com, with its intuitive interface and customizable options, offers a robust solution for managing reminders that can significantly improve your productivity and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Let's dive in and get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page where you'll see an overview of your workspace, including various boards and activities. What you need to do next is select the board where you want to set up a reminder. Boards on Monday.com function like project or task dashboards. They organize everything related to your work or project. If you don't yet have a board set up for your specific project or task, now's a good opportunity to create one. Whether you're selecting an existing board or starting from scratch, you're set for the next step. It's time to add a new column by clicking on the plus icon, which is typically located on the right side of your board. Columns in Monday.com are incredibly useful for categorizing and tracking different aspects of your projects, be it task status, priority, or deadlines. Since our focus today is setting up a reminder, click on Date to add a date column to your board. This essential column allows you to set deadlines or note important dates related to your tasks. Once added, click on it to select a specific date for your reminder. Here, you can pinpoint exactly when you want to be reminded about a particular task or deadline. With your date selected, it's time to automate the reminder. Look towards the top of your board for the Automate option and give it a click. Monday.com provides a diverse range of automation templates designed to effortlessly set up notifications and reminders, thus removing the need for manual input. In the Automate menu, select Dates to bring up reminder-related automations. From here, find the When Date Arrives Notify Someone template and click Use Template. This template provides a simple way to set up a reminder based on a specific date. You'll need to customize your automation by clicking on When to confirm that the trigger should be the arrival of the due date you've just set. You can also add a specific time to your reminder, making the notification even more precise. Choose a time that suits you best, keeping in mind when you would like to receive the notification. Then, direct Monday.com, whom to notify by clicking on Notify to establish the notification message that will serve as your reminder. Personalizing your message can make it more meaningful. Including the item name in your message can offer quick reference, so consider using the item name as an example in your notification text. Finally, after setting up your message, click on Someone to select the recipient of the reminder. This could be you, a team member, or even a whole group working on the project. For our demonstration today, let's say you choose to receive the notification yourself. With everything in place, wrap up by clicking Create Automation. This final step activates your reminder, ensuring that you or your specified recipient will receive a notification on the appointed date and time. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a reminder on Monday.com. This straightforward yet powerful tool can significantly enhance your project management by ensuring you stay apprised of key deadlines and tasks. Remember, effective use of Monday.com lies in its customization. Don't shy away from exploring and refining automations to perfectly align with your workflow. With its flexible platform, you're well on your way to a more organized and productive working environment.